dear friends. Today we can discuss about the Evidence Act. Nowadays, in Evidence Act, amended from the BSA Act, Bharatiya Sakshya Adhyayan, 2023 Act. In civil cases or criminal cases, any employment cases, labor cases, labor court, or corporate cases, or high court and district court, and civil remedy cases and criminal cases, the all type of case nowadays we can very compulsory of the documentary evidence. In the Evidence Act we can describe the evidences. Now society we have everybody know the two type of the evidence. One documentary evidence, one oral evidence. Court can consider only the documentary evidence. The documentary evidence is subject to object. A document, we can suppose example in your Aadhaar card or PAN card, the all also one documents. Another is your sale deed, registration documents, and registration document. They have different type of the document there. Each of document, consent authority can give the authorization is must be should importance. Suppose in the document consent authority we never signature or consent authority stamping also properly not, then that also incomplete of the document. That incomplete document, we court never receive the document, or court never recognize the document, court never mark the document. The document marking is must important of the at the time of the trial in civil or criminal. Okay, dear friends, one documentary documents also very necessary from the winning of the case. That the winning of the case in a civil or criminal must be in a documentary evidence or oral evidence. Oral evidence mean we can two type of that. Direct evidence, the direct eyewitnesses also there, or hearsay evidence also there. Hearsay evidence we never consider the sometimes only just direct evidence or eyewitness evidence, or same time that have any witness also there. For example, in any sale deed executed the one person, the witness also 2 or 3 persons witnesses there. That witnesses also we can acceptable at the time of the court. At the time of the court we can trial we conducting the honorable court, we trial conducted, that time we can produce the witnesses of the which witnesses, that witnesses at the time of the registration we can signature can done from the signature the document. That witnesses also we can consider for the at the time of the trial only. The document, the oral, some court evidence also recorded. Court how can recorded the evidence? The court at the time of the trial we can cross examination to other advocate, or that also one of the document of the evidence. And admissions, the admit there. Suppose the any other advocate or your advocate, we can cross the opposite party, or opposite advocate we can, your client can cross examination. The cross examination we can most important for the admissions also in admissions or acceptance, or identify the document, or we can statement also recorded before in the magistrate, or before in the court, before in the judge. We can that time have that evidence is compulsory consider the court. The evidence also we can take the one of the advantage of the case. And sometime also DC, dying declaration. Suppose any person we can burning at the time of death, that last moment we can last moments we can give the evidence there. We can that time have to record it of the any magistrate also recorded the evidence. That also evidence is very strong evidence. We can strong evidence we can recognize the court only. Thank you so much. We can next classes we can briefly section 1 to the 170 sections we can discuss in the Evidence Act. Evidence Act is now is a BSA Act 2023. Thank you so much.